Hey there, Principal Johnson. Thank you so much for hopping on the call today. Really appreciate it.
Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for being here.
Yes. So as you know, your campus was chosen for our Campus Close-Up series. We're going to be out of your campus telling the great stories about your campus. But we always like to hop on these calls first to kind of get a feel of just what your school feels like. So talk to me about it. Talk about the campus culture there. What's it like being a student at your school?
So at Hartsfield Elementary, we do so many wonderful things to make kids and families feel welcome. We spend a lot of time celebrating the success of our students through a variety of different ways, and just the exposure that they get overall in this elementary setting, it's far beyond anything that a lot of kids are able to get, especially in the elementary level.
I like that. Speaking of your campus, like elementary level and whatnot, are there any kind of like standout programs or clubs that maybe students really like gravitate toward, or maybe it's just one that's really popular?
Yeah, so Hartsfield Elementary is actually the only animal environmental science magnet school in HISD. So at our campus, it's just such a unique campus. As you walk the campus, you see everything from snakes and tarantulas, and we have pigs and chickens, and there's animals everywhere. And then we have a heavy emphasis on STEM. So our kids do a lot with robotics. We fly drones. We do 3D printing. There's so many things, and that's why I say it's the exposure that they get on the elementary level, to me, is what sets the pathway for them moving forward.
I was going to say, a lot of what you just described sounds like a middle school or high school. That sounds really diverse. I love that.
Yeah, definitely so. We love it.
Very nice. One thing that we talk a lot about here in the district is kind of, sustaining our academic growth and kind of the growth that we've seen throughout the years and whatnot. Talk to me about how your campus is contributing to that academic growth and that academic excellence, if you will.
So it's amazing you asked that, because we actually just finished wrapping up taking the middle of the year MAP assessment. And for our campus in growth in every single area, math, science, and reading, all of our growth was at the 61st percentile or higher, which put us in the green overall. So I'm really proud of the hard work that the students and that the staff are doing here at Hartsfield to make sure that our kids are getting the best education possible and preparing them for what's coming up next. Just like the superintendent talks about, we're pushing for 2035. We have a lot going on that's really preparing our kids for that, and seeing the growth and the achievement that we're really wanting here.
I love that. Well, we can't wait to see a lot of that growth and achievement when we go out to your campus to tell a lot of these great stories and whatnot. But again, I'll keep this short. Like I said, just wanted to hop on the call and kind of get a feel of what we're going to see out there. But I'm assuming we're going to see a lot of animals, it seems.
A lot. We'll take you by, let you see the animals, take you by the STEM lab, let you see the wonderful things, and then definitely in the classrooms where all the great work is being done from these dynamic teachers and staff that I have here at Hartsfield. I love them all, and I love what we're doing here for kids.
Awesome. That's great to hear, sir. Principal Johnson, thank you again for hopping on the call, and we will see you at your school next week.
All right, take care.
All right, take care. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.